So I've just been practicing some sound work and then mantra and with the harmonium, my best friend, often. And I just wanted to share the power of really mantra being tool for the mind. And yeah, basically before I started to practice half an hour ago, I had really a huge headache, and my purpose this afternoon was I was going to do a practice, asana practice that kind of combated my headache. However, my harmonium called to me, and instead I started to chant. And then every time I chant, I realize how fast it connects me to my heart, clears my head, creates space for all the other things in my day that I need to do. So I just want to share a little bit of the beginning of some sounds taught to me by my teacher in India, who I'll share his name afterwards. And you can let me know afterwards if you would like, this is something that you would like to learn or to do with me over a few days to see the effects for yourself. And we could do this online. So here goes. The first sound is So it's a humming sound, like when you eat your favorite food. So inhale. Next sound is an R sound, and the sound is going from the nose to the navel. So like when you're thinking about these are tonal sounds, so it's not super loud or long necessarily, but just about opening the throat chakra. And to do this, you also need to open your mouth quite wide, and don't worry about whatever sound that comes out. So inhale. Sound we do is Na, N-A, and the sound is rising from the navel to the nose. Na. Inhale. Next sound is Hri. So the sound is coming out of either sides of the mouth. Hri. Kind of like a clown smile. Soft inhale. HNU, HNU. And your lips slightly rise towards your nose, and just notice as the sound changes as you do it. Soft inhale. Inhale. Last and final sound is a circular Om. So again, not the longest or strongest Om you can ever do, but just tying everything together. Inhale. Bringing it all together with one breath, we do the sounds from A, Na, Hri, Nu, Om. Soft inhale. So thank you to Sudhanshu, my teacher. And I hope if you were able to join in with this, just let me know how it makes you feel. For me, it helps me connect, it helps me arrive and let go of anything that's been going on through the day. So I hope you can find that these tonal beginnings for the voice, if you do this every day or whenever, as often as you can, this will transform your sound and your voice and maybe open the throat chakra and help you with this learning a mode of communication. Yeah, so if you'd like to know more, just reach out and send me a message. Okay, thank you.